Hello, my name is Glen and this is Melina. And today we're going to be showing you the East Coast swing. So we're going to start with a couple of the basics. So there's a number of different basics, but all of them start with the man stepping back with his left foot, the lady back with her right foot. So we do what we call a rock step. Now we take a step to the side, replace our weight, and go back into a rock step. Rock, step, 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 rock, step, 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 rock, step. And this is called single time swing. Now we're going to do a double time. So we start with our rock, step. Now we bring our foot to close, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step, tap, step, rock, step. And now we have our triple time swing, which is what we're going to be showing you throughout these videos, where we start with a rock, step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock, step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock, step. Now our frame, I have my right hand on her left shoulder blade and holding her right hand in my left hand comfortably and casually. So we start with our rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step.